In this video, I will show with you step by step how to contact Genspark AI support team. So if you want to contact support team, follow me in this video guide. All you have to do, go to Google, search for Genspark AI support, click the first website here, Help and Center. You will see this page. When you click Help and Center, you will see this page. So you can contact this support team by following the steps. You have the chatbot option from here. As you can see here, this is the chatbot. All you have to do in the chatbot, write your question or write anything here. This is a support bot, and you have also support this section. Also from the support, you can write your problem here from the support team. As you can see here, all you have to do, write your problem and then click submit your problem from this section. So basically, this is how you can do. You have two options to contact support team. Go to Google, search for Genspark AI support. You can also get your email support. This is for email support friends. You can reach this email and then you can contact them. Basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.